Mars RB is a horizontal flow pack chili packaging machine for food and non-food with a roll from below and a rotating cutting and sealing system. Let's start with the 3-row egg beater RZ3. The operator manually places Packaging helps prevent oxidation, thereby keeping red meat's natural flavor and quality better throughout its storage period. Vacuum packaging red meat in bags or containers can make storage and use easier, while also reducing the risk of contamination from exposure to bacteria and pathogens. Vacuum packaging technology is increasingly advanced, allowing the packaging of red meat in automated processes, ensuring accuracy and food safety. Have you ever enjoyed the taste of anchovies? With their slender shape and brightly colored bodies, anchovies are not only an important part of the marine ecosystem, but also bring excitement to observers. Anchovies also have high nutritional value and are often used in traditional sea dishes. With sweet and protein-rich meat, they are often popular in the preparation of sushi, sashimi, and other delicious dishes. At the same time, protecting and maintaining the number of anchovies in the marine environment is also an important part of protecting the environment and maintaining the ecological balance in the sea. Looking at the sharp blade working hard, cutting each thin slice of meat, you not only feel the precision and ingenuity of the processing process, but are also fascinated by the meticulousness and sophistication in the process. Every move, the blade is not only a tool, but also the talented hand of the artisan. Its sharpness and precision help create thin slices of meat without damaging the food's texture or natural flavor. Each cut is an art, technique, and sophistication expressed through each line. Behind the strong beauty of the blade lies technique and sophistication, patience and respect for the materials. When you see the blade at work, you not only see professionalism, but also feel the passion and dedication of the artisans behind the work. Ham, with its unique blend of meat and spices, creates a unique and attractive flavor. Seeing the slices of ham neatly arranged on the tray, you not only feel the soft beauty but also understand the meticulousness in the processing process. With each piece of ham, you are told a story about thoroughness, meticulousness, and passion. From the selection of fresh ingredients to the preparation and seasoning, everything is done with respect and love for the food. In the image of delicately sliced slices of ham and sausage, you not only feel the skillful cut, Who work hard to bring you the most delicious and quality cuts of meat. Meatballs, one of many people's favorite dishes, will captivate your taste buds with just one look. Looking at the regular and smooth meatballs, you can't help but marvel at the sophistication of the preparation process. Behind the meatballs is the effort and skill of the cooks who turn simple ingredients into an attractive culinary masterpiece. Do you love the taste of sausage? Looking at the hot sausages, you can't help but be attracted by their attractive colors and shapes. This is not just a piece of food, but also a work of art created from the thoroughness and sophistication of the processing process. The fragrant aroma of sausage makes you unable to help but want to enjoy it immediately. Each piece of sausage is a perfect combination of rich flavors of meat and spices, creating a culinary experience full of variety and appeal. Sausages are not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of harmony and satisfaction in every meal. Minced meat is not only a basic ingredient in cooking, but also the basis for countless delicious and diverse dishes around the world. From rich sausages to delicious hamburgers, minced meat plays an indispensable role in every family's kitchen. With its softness and smoothness, minced meat opens up space for creativity and freedom in preparation.